How to download and install Call of Duty Warzone free today on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do, guys, the fastest way is with your Steam. Open Steam like me, go here on Store. If you don't know how to create Steam account and download it, just watch this video. Go here in search and type Call of Duty Warzone and you will see free to play. Click on it. Scroll here down and you will see play game. Click on it. You will get your game in library like me. That's it all, guys, for this video, how to download and install Call of Duty Warzone for free today. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.